Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget drone in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro DJI RC. Lightweight drone with 4K video, 48 MP photo, 34 mins flight time, less than 249 grams, tri-directional obstacle sensing, return to home, drone with camera for adults. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60fps video and 48 MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. Number 2. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC 2 Screen Remote Controller. Drone with medium tel and wide-angle dual primary cameras for adults, 4K HDR, 46 min max flight time, 48 MP, 2 extra batteries. Capture breathtaking, immersive shots. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. Seize every moment. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase compared to DJI Air 2's capture, satisfying photos without worrying about battery life. Enhanced safety, worry-free flying. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection, even in challenging environments like forests. Number 1. Rise Tech Tello Boost Combo. Mini drone with 5 MP camera, RC quadcopter with 720p HD video, 13 minutes flight time, powered by DJI. White. See the world from the sky. Whether you're at the park or hanging out at home, take off and experience the world from new perspectives. This small drone weighs only 87 grams, has 2 antennas for extra stable video transmission, and a high-capacity battery that offers up to 13 minutes of flight. Capture great pictures and videos. Tello's camera has a high-quality image sensor to capture 5 MP, 2,592 x 1,936 photos and 720p HD videos. If you're a beginner, one-tap easy shots let you shoot pro-level videos to share on social media straight from your smartphone. Programming fun. The Tello Edu app supports Scratch, a kid-friendly programming language. With a mobile device, students can drag coding blocks that command Tello to perform exciting movements.